What's up everybody, welcome to this channel, and obviously you probably already know that we are doing an unboxing today.
Ooh, gotta catch my breath here. What's up everybody? So I am super excited today because I brought in 5 fish. Yes, only 5. This was not for a customer, it wasn't a broker deal or anything like that. This was just fish for my stock. 3 very rare guppies, a trio, and 2 surprise fishes that I thought was so cool I wanted to just bring it in. I am super excited for these fish today. I'm just kind of like, let's do this. So as you can see on the box, it has passed the Department of Agriculture for Hawaii. So every fish in this box is 100% legal in case you're questioning it. Because these fish are relatively very expensive, I'm just gonna put a little thing like that over there when I open the box. So let's get to it. All right, this is pretty exciting. Hopefully this video doesn't take too long, but I really want to see what's in this box. I'm so excited. Ooh, let's see what is in this box. Before I get into it, I just want to say thank you very much to Tucky. She's just really good, and if you ever have the opportunity to work with Tucky, I would not hesitate. All right, let's get to it. Oh, as you can see, the box. Oh, I just love this part. Okay. All right, so I forgot the cups. These are the cups I use to put the fish in for acclimation. All right, so these fish actually traveled all the way from Indonesia to the US mainland and all the way here in Hawaii and or Hawaii, I should say. Let's take the cover off and see what we got. Oh, we got a heat pack. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's been pretty cold here in Hawaii, 64 degrees, at least in this location in the mornings. So that's why I don't really like to stock fish, but these are special. So let's get to it. Oh, I'm so excited. Recently, Tucky has been putting all the fish in this plastic bag over here. And that's so if the bags actually leak, the plastic bag will catch it. All right, here's the fish. Here's the fish, here we go. Here's the first one. Let's see. Oh, it's in a green bag. A green bag. Hope I don't drop it. Look at that. Green bag. A lot of sellers will do this to ensure that the fish doesn't get, stressed out or whatever, seeing other fishes in the bag as well. So I like that they do that. And let's see what's inside. All right. Hopefully I don't cut the fish because I'm always afraid, but let's see. Ooh. All right. What's in here? I don't know. Ooh, it stink though. Oh my gosh. The water is terrible. And I'm very confused. Why does the water look like that? I'm kind of sad about this. Well, let's try the next one. Now this has nothing to do with Tucky, by the way. This is the seller. Let's try this. Let's try this one. Oh, it's really bad, the smell. This is terrible. And of course, the fish are deceased. That's very disappointing. I'm very sad about that. I just, that's what happens. Sometimes you get sellers that, I don't know. It's unfortunate. Let's see what else we got in here. All these fish are from the same seller. Now I'm not too happy because that is unbelievably terrible. Like really bad. Thank God that these fish are good. All right, so we got the first guppy here as part of the trio. These are very rare, what they call tiger. Let's see, blue tiger cobra guppies. I'm gonna hurry up and get these out of the bag, and we'll see what happens here. Okay. That's one of them. Hope I can get you a better video on it. I'm very disappointed in the first two fish because the first two fish, those were the ones I was really waiting for. It's terrible. I don't know what the seller was thinking. Okay, we have another guppy. Oh, blue tiger cobras. Where is my focus, guys? Come on, camera. There you go. Beautiful fish. That's a female, I think. And I believe this here is also a female. There you go. Anyway, I don't know if you could see that or not, but we got one more. And this, oh, this is the female. Okay, so we got two females, like a trio should be. Two females and a male. And we're just gonna drop this in the acclimation tanks already because they've had a long trip and I wanna get them into their new home as soon as possible. All right, well, unfortunately, these were the fish that I wanted, and whoever sent this did not know what they were doing. But these, oh my gosh, the water is really bad. But these are the risks you take when you import fish from sellers, you know, in a different country. Whew, I gotta get rid of this water. That's really bad, poor fish. Anyway, well, not the kind of video that I expected to make, that's for sure. I was very excited for this fish. I used UPS second day air. I mean, I did everything, costing me a lot of money, and now I just lost it all. I got 3 guppies though. So we'll see if those, you know, work out or not, but they look like they're juveniles. Anyway, that's the risk I take. I just have to take care of this fish and figure out what I'm gonna do next because that's a lot of out-of-pocket money that I just wasted. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, a great next of the week. And I'm gonna have more fish coming in, I think, in a week or two, so stay tuned. All right.